Hey my day ones, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Day Michelle, the one and only. Make sure you click that like button, make sure you comment, make sure you share it, and make sure you subscribe to join the Day One family. If you're an old Day One, hello, it's so good to see you. Today we're going to be reviewing a new foundation. If you want to see this eye look, a tutorial on this eye look, you can go ahead and follow my TikTok page. I do have something special planned for y'all on Easter, and it is a makeup tutorial. I'm not gonna tell y'all, but I'm about to get real creative, so stay tuned. Another announcement before I start this video. I probably will no longer be doing music reviews. I don't know if I said that in my last video, just simply because where I see my career going. I love music, I do music, I rap, and I can sing, and I can write, but I feel like if I'm gonna put music on my channel, it's gonna be my own music. So stay tuned for that. So this video is about the infamous Kat Von D foundation. I got it along with some other stuff. Here it is, the Kat Von D foundation, skin perfecting foundation balm in the color Deep 080. It's infused with apple extract to help nourish the skin, recycle. Oh, and it says recycle your compact. I don't know about all that, but yeah, this is the foundation we're gonna be trying today. We also gonna be trying out the Tarte Ultra Creamy Hydrating Concealer. Y'all know I usually use the original Shape Tape, but they came out with a hydrating version, which is fine because baby Louis and Gucci. I know I need to better my water intake, and it's probably why my under eye bags be popping out so much. But we're just gonna see how this works. I didn't want to do a separate interview on this because I mean, we can do it right now. But this is the main star, so this is the packaging. Let me open it up for y'all. Okay, this is what it looks like. Packaging. It kind of looked like drugstore packaging to me, but that's just me. This way it's kind of like a balm. My only thing with this is like if you're MUA and it's like not really sanitary because you gotta keep dipping your brush back into it. So we're finna go ahead and put this on. I've already applied my primer. Y'all already know I applied the Benefit Professional in my T-zone, and I tried a new primer today. I got the sample size. It's the NYX Marshmallow primer. It's supposed to smooth your skin, and the same thing that my Hourglass Veil was doing, but I ran out of it. So yeah, we're gonna see how good that product works too. Like I said, if you want to see this eyeshadow look, you can go to my TikTok, and I'm also gonna post it on Instagram too. So when I upload this video and I'm promoting the video, the TikTok video is gonna be on my Instagram. But I'm always on TikTok, y'all, so just add me on TikTok. Oops, hold on. So we about to dip our brush in. Ooh, y'all. So that's what it look like. It's hair, my brush. Okay. Wow. We're gonna put some of that over here because I don't like a lot of foundation. It's super red. That's the first thing I'm noticing, is real red. It's very red, and I don't like that. However, when it comes down to coverage, as y'all can see, she is very full coverage. I just gotta put more on. I'm trying to avoid my under eye area because quick tip, and I'm putting on the screen below. If you don't really like under eye creasing like that, and your bags is not as deep as mine, you just find your under eyes creasing, try to avoid your under eye area when you're putting on foundation. The coverage is buildable, but I mean, Once I highlight and contour and all that, you really don't be needing a lot of foundation, y'all. Like, you don't. And that's the quickest way to look cakey too, is putting on a lot of product. And then I have a lot of lights, so it tends to like make me feel like I need more makeup than what I really do. So, but yeah, I'ma just blend this out. Yeah, this is definitely a pretty foundation. It's just red. It's just water. It's just what. Anyway, um, it's red. It's red as hell. My undertone is not red. I don't know why. And the shade before this was too bright. So I don't know why all of a certain group of people, I'm not gonna say it, feel like all darker skin tone people are red undertone. That is not true. That is not true. So yeah, I'm just packing this in, y'all. Now I'm about to take the Ultra Creamy Concealer. Y'all know in my other Shape Tape concealer, I use the color Deep Sand. So I got the color Deep Sand in this one. And it's kind of bright because I've gotten darker, finally. Because at first I was way too light for my foundation shade, but I've gotten darker. And I'm just gonna put this like towards my inner corner, and then I'm gonna use my LA Girl on the outside. And just go on the outskirts of that, but not too much, because you don't want to conceal all the way down here. And I used to do that because then it makes your face drop, and I already got a long head, so I don't need that. I'm gonna take my Real Techniques brush, setting brush, and I'm gonna start blending out my highlight. V Make a Revolution Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in the color Deep. And I'ma just now I'm gonna take my Morphe setting spray and I'm gonna spray my face with my Fenty Beauty. My lip liner, and I got the new NYX lip oil. The new NYX This Is Milky Gloss. This is in the color Cookies and Milk. I got the other color Cherry Mauve, but the thing is my lips are so dark because I smoke. So it's just like, even with this liner, like, I don't know how this gonna work, but we gonna see. Okay, I'm gonna spray my face again. Okay, so my first initial reviews, I'm gonna go do my hair, y'all. My first initial reviews about this foundation is it looks flawless. The concealer looks flawless. I still see my bag speaking through, but like I said, I need to work on hydrating myself in my skincare routine. So it's not the concealer's fault. I like the concealer. I like the foundation. The only thing about, like I said, the foundation is too red. Too red compared to my Dose of Colors. Too Faced Born This Way and my NARS. I have a neutral undertone. Or a cool undertone. I can get away with a cool undertone, but a warm undertone, it makes me look like really red. Like, I don't know if y'all could tell, but like the way my neck is and the way my face is super red right now. But I don't know if y'all could tell, but like, y'all see that? Like, I'm neutral. But anyway, other than that, I also don't like the fact that this foundation, I feel like if it's gonna be in this balm texture, it needs to have a mirror. It does not have a mirror. Kat Von D, baby, where's my mirror? I need a mirror. I need a mirror, okay? Doesn't have a mirror. It's too red, which was my fault. Other than that, it feels comfortable. It feels, it doesn't feel lightweight. It's very, very much full coverage. However, if I don't come back on the camera with wear test results, those are my initial reviews, okay? And I do have dry skin, you guys. So this is in the color Deep 80. I'm gonna go do my hair. I love you guys so much. Of course, y'all know I'm gonna post some content at the end of the video. I love y'all so much. Like I said, follow all of my social media at One Day Michelle. I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Snapchat, I'm on TikTok. I have a Facebook, but Facebook unfortunately is for friends and family. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one. Comment down below any other products that you want me to review. I do have the Fenty Beauty Nude Foundation on the way, so I can review that. And I'll see y'all later.